What's the meaning of convenience food? Convenience food. Convenience food.
Convenience food. Convenience food. Convenience food refers to pre-packaged and ready-to-eat meals that are designed for quick and easy consumption. These foods are typically processed and may contain high amounts of fat, sugar, and preservatives. Convenience foods are marketed towards busy individuals who want to save time and effort in meal preparation. While they offer convenience, these foods are often of low nutritional value and can contribute to poor health outcomes such as obesity and chronic illness. It is important to consume them as part of a balanced diet and to limit their intake where possible.